Hi friends, welcome. Today we are going to be making Italian pinwheels that would be great for a holiday party or just an everyday snack. They're super easy to make and most of all, they're super yummy. I've got the ingredients here and we'll get started. So I'm going to start out with these green spinach and herb tortillas. I've also got some provolone cheese, pepperoni, salami, Italian seasoning, red bell peppers in a jar, a half a cup of cream cheese, and some pepperoncini peppers. And I will list all the ingredients in the description below. Okay, so I've got my cream cheese. We're going to put it in a bowl. And then we're just going to start adding all our ingredients. Our red bell peppers, our pepperoncini peppers with the juice, and then just a few dashes of this Italian seasoning. And this will make our base for our tortilla. So just add as much as you'd like. And then we're going to mix everything up. I use a fork, that way I can get all the peppers kind of integrated with the cream cheese. And this makes for a nice little zing on our wraps. So just mash away. Okay, next I got my tortilla laid out, and I just kind of put a light coat. I think less is more, and it gives it a nice little pop and a zing, but not too overpowering. So just spread it on there, and if you like more, spread more on there. Okay, now we're going to just start layering. Again, you can add as much or less as you want. I'm going to start out with the cheese, and then I'm going to put my salami and pepperoni down. And I like to kind of keep it in the middle because I do cut off the ends. All right, so let's just start rolling it up. I'm going to roll it up kind of tight, and then we're going to wrap it with saran wrap and refrigerate it for about an hour or two. Okay, it's out. We're going to cut away and then we're going to make our design. Here we are, a beautiful Christmas tree. I cut out a star with a cookie cutter and some cheese. Plopped a little cherry tomatoes on there and garnished with some rosemary. A beautiful holiday appetizer. I hope you enjoyed, and thank you for watching.